Hey, this is Mike again. Just wanted to go ahead and give you a quick run view of the quadcopter again before I take off with it. I've got the SD card inserted. I went ahead and put the battery in the back. All we gotta do now is connect the battery with the connector here, which, as you can see by the blinking LEDs, it is powered up now. Let's go and get all these cables tucked in and get the back of the quadcopter closed up. It is a bit of a tight fit to get the cables in there, so you gotta make sure you don't accidentally pinch the wires when you do this, or the other connector, of course. There we go. We'll go ahead and turn on our controller now, which it's got an H flashing, which means it's waiting to bind to the quadcopter right now. It'll take it it might take it a minute or so, so we'll give it a couple minutes to get bound to the quadcopter. Eventually, so as it take a little longer than others. Quadcopter still on, still flashing, so it should be bonding any time now. There we go. Now it wants us to set compass 1. So for set compass 1, you take your quadcopter and you spin it in a counterclockwise motion, and you keep doing that until it says set compass 2. Okay, now it says set compass 2, so then you point it downwards and go counterclockwise again. And you keep doing that until the set compass 2 goes away on your controller, which it just did. So we'll go ahead and put the quadcopter down. And right now we have 0 satellites, so we're going to wait for it to get at least 6 satellites before we take off. So once again, we're going to have to wait just a little bit longer for it. We got 5 satellites now. It just jumped from 0 to 5. So I did do a test run with this yesterday and got it up to 10 satellites, just turning it on, which that's where we're at right now. So I'm going to go ahead and arm the quadcopter. You do that by pulling the sticks down and out, and as you can see, the blades start turning. And then press up on the left hand stick on mode 2 to go up in the air, and we'll get it up here and we'll see how the altitude hold works. Looks like it's moving a little bit, so we'll have to adjust the trim a little bit. The wind is blowing right now, so it's going to have a little bit of a hard time staying in place, but as you can see, it seems to be doing alright right now with holding its position. We'll go ahead and turn the video camera on, and we'll go ahead and let me turn around here a little bit and snap a picture of my beautiful wife who's filming. And let's take it up a little bit more, and we'll go forward with her slowly. Trying to stay out of the tree and off the roof. Turn around back towards us and come back this way really slowly. Now this is my first time actually flying the quadcopter, so bear with me here a little bit while I try and get used to actually flying one. And I think I'm going to bring her back down a little bit here. And as you can see, she turns left and right with the left stick as well. If you use the right stick, forward makes the quadcopter go forward, pull it down, it goes backwards like so. Left it slides left, right it slides right. And the more you move it around, especially on windy days with more altitude, it's going to lose, so you have to adjust out a little bit. But all in all, I paid $61 for this quadcopter, and it's really not a bad deal at all if you decide that you want to get one. So I think we're going to go ahead and land it for now, and we'll come back with another video later. So thank you, and y'all have yourselves a good evening. Bye.